county fair turkey legs. So I'm gonna make a seasoning mix first, and it's paprika, chili powder, cumin, thyme. Oh, that was more thyme than I meant. Garlic powder, and lots of salt and pepper. You can honestly use any kind of seasoning mix that you like. That's just a good, basic, really savory combination. And basically, you get this roasted turkey leg and carry it around the state fair and just gnaw on it as you go.
Yes.
So I've got these turkey legs, and I wrapped the end in foil. And so you really want to generously sprinkle on this seasoning on the first side, and then turn them over. So after you get all the seasoning on the turkey legs, they need to go into the fridge. You can cover them in plastic wrap if you like. Oh, clunk. Just put those in there. But I have these, and they've been in the fridge for a couple of hours. I was a little more careful with the previous batch of seasoning. But look at that.
Wow.
It just gives the seasoning time to kind of get in there and penetrate. So let's get these in the oven. So they're gonna roast at 325 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes until they reach an internal temperature of 160.
Wow.
They smell so good. So I'm actually gonna turn on the broiler. Let's wait for it to stop beeping. And I'm gonna put them under the broiler, but first I wanna brush on a little bit of honey, which just kind of deepens the magic, I think. Just kind of dab it on, and I'll put it under the broiler just so the turkey legs can get a little bit caramelized. And there's so much like savory stuff in that seasoning mix that we made that the honey just kind of gives it a little bit of like salty sweet magic. Really yummy. All right, do those look properly glazed?
They look great.
They really do. Wow. So I will put this back into the oven and just let them kind of finish up under the broiler. And again, you know how I love a dipping sauce. I'm gonna make a quick little sauce to serve with the turkey legs. And it starts with barbecue sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of hot sauce, and more honey. Get down there, honey. But if you want to serve these at a party at your house, this is a great little sauce to serve with it. So I'll pour it into this cute little cup. Ooh,
Oh my goodness.
that was actually the perfect amount of time. Ooh, gosh, those are good. Now, at the state fair, usually they're kind of cool enough to handle, so you can let them sit and rest for just a little bit. But how fun are these? Oh my gosh. It just makes chicken legs look sorely inadequate, unabashedly big. All right. County fair turkey legs, also known in some circles as caveman pops. Tell you what, if you like to get your protein in, this is about a week's worth right here. Is it hot?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a bite.
Yeah.
Oh,
Get it. Come on, commit.